nailed it, and we are on to day 16 for Charlie's Advent Calendar. I'm very excited to see what we have in store on day 16. The bugger was really in there too. So we're going to cut her open, get her done, see what Charlie has for us today. I have a nail on standby as always. Oh, beautiful. This is a fine mixed glitter that I can play with all day long. This is 3 grams. Look how stunning that is. That is a beautiful glitter. This is called Disco Queen. So you can paint the nails silver, you can paint it as like a pinkish color, which I think is what I'm going to do. Okay, we're back. I painted the nails slightly. It's not opaque, and I had no intentions of making it that way because we're going to be putting Disco Queen, which is like a raspberry silver. So I should have painted it like a raspberry color maybe. I don't know. What do you think? Whoops. So this is a 3 gram bag, Disco Queen, which is released today, December the 16th. Rush over to Charlie's Nailer and grab you some Disco Queen. So I'm using the pour method, which means I'm pouring the glitter over the nail. And I think this is a beautiful, beautiful mix, Charlie. Great eye, great job. Whoops. Press it into the glue. I did use She Modern stencil glue. And you can still see through it. So you definitely gotta watch what color polish you put underneath it. Oh, there's bigger pieces in here I didn't see. Let's see how close I can get this. This is a beautiful, beautiful mix. See the bigger pieces in there? They're circles. Hexagons are hexagons. This is beautiful. So I'm gonna wipe off the side of the nail a little bit here because we got some hanging over. Tap it off again, stick it back in the lamp, give it a cure. Waste not, want not. So we pour this back in our bag. I know a little gets slopped on the side here, unfortunately, and I have it all over my hands. All over. All over the place. I have my iGel Beauty top coat that I'm going to use. I use this bottle specifically just for my glitter. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos. And again, we're here with Disco Queen. I love a fine glittery mix. I really do. I'm not into the big chunky ones because I'm not. Give me a fine glitter mix any day of the week. Our nail is done and fresh out of the well. We're going to top coat now. Give us a good bead here. With the glitter, I don't polish the nail like I do a regular nail. And I always do 2 coats. 2 coats of top coat. 60-second cure in between each. And we'll be back. Alrighty. I only ended up having to do 1 coat. Normally 2 is the rule of thumb. But this is very smooth. I mean, I did put a thick layer on, but this is smooth. Very smooth. So again, we have got Disco Queen by Charlie's Nail Art. .co.uk. We are on day 16. This will be released today on the website. So go run over and put your order in. Please use my code NAILED10 to save yourself 10% off your total bill at checkout. I greatly appreciate it. Help me to help you. Yeah. Well, we'll be back tomorrow for day 17. We're almost to Christmas Eve, folks. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.